As photographers, we wear a lot of hats. The photographer hat, my favorite. The accountant hat lets me nerd out a little. The marketing hat, don't have photos to take or money to count without that one. And the salesman hat. Hold on, I'm gonna be sick. I mean, I have friends who are in sales and they have great lives and nice houses and all, but it physically pains me to sell my photography. I'd say it was because it's like trying to sell myself, but I also struggled with chocolate bars or Christmas wrapping paper when I was a kid. In today's video, instead of talking about how to sell, I wanna talk about how I redesigned my workflow so that selling isn't required in the first place. The longer I do this, the more I realize that the best tools don't help you sell. They help you get out of the way. And for me, selling was pure friction. It slowed me down, stressed me out, and honestly made me enjoy photography less. We wanted to serve our clients, make them happy, not feel like we were constantly selling to them. You see, when I first started in photography, I went to all the workshops and the presentations at the conferences about how to sell your photography, how to have a low session fee, and then bring your clients into your beautiful studio where you serve them champagne and make them cry with a slideshow, and then you upsell them fancy prints and albums, and yeah, that never worked for me. So today I'm going to talk about why that didn't work for me, what did, and show you how we use Pic-Time client galleries as a part of a workflow that lets prints happen without hard selling. Quick heads up before we go further, this video is sponsored by Pic-Time. I've been using it for about 3 years and it fits the exact workflow I'm about to show you. As always, opinions are my own and I'll explain where it works and where it doesn't. If you want to try it, there's a free month link below. I'll share plenty of practical tips for improving your client gallery experience. This isn't about squeezing clients. It's about removing obstacles so that clients can easily enjoy and print their photos. I'm Brenda Bergreen. Mark and I have been professional photographers since we got married in 2011. Our disappointment of a wedding photographer had us saying, we could have done better than that. And the next thing we knew, we were starting a photography business, and that has somehow led us here to this moment. Hi. And as I was saying, I hated all the advice about hard selling and upselling and soul selling, so we ignored it. It just never fit how we wanted to work. Instead, we charged what we needed to charge for our packages, included an album because we genuinely believed in them, and then focused on giving our clients a great experience. The problem wasn't that our clients didn't want prints, it was that printing wasn't built naturally into our workflow. And if they did print, it was often a quick Walgreens print that didn't reflect the quality of the work. We knew this was a gap, not because we weren't good at sales, but because we hadn't built a system that made printing easy. Mark and I divide and conquer and balance each other out pretty well, but this was one of those things that neither of us wanted to manually manage. And the result was friction for us and our clients. We were leaving value on the table and our clients weren't ending up with the finished prints on their walls, which honestly felt like a lose-lose. That's what changed when we switched our client galleries to Pic-Time a few years ago. So let's break down how we actually use Pic-Time galleries in a way that's simple, effective, and works without hard selling. Let's talk about the client experience because this is where I knew it was working. You send your client a link, they open it, download a few images to share, send it to mom, and mom sends it to everyone else. What I love is watching how people actually use the gallery. They don't email question. They don't get confused. They just click around, they favorite images, they share the link, and yes, they order things. Anytime a client doesn't email me with questions, I count that as a win. I'd much rather get emails about how much they love their photos and how good they look on their walls. So here's our actual delivery process. 2 weeks after a photo shoot or sooner, and I do recommend a fast turnaround time, your clients will love you for it. And if you can't handle it, you need to look at your workflow. So let me know your pain points in the comments and we can always make a video or check out this one on our outdoor photography workflow. 2 weeks or sooner, I, and by I mean Mark, will upload images to the Pic-Time gallery. We, again Mark, will organize it strategically with a highlight section, ensuring that the first images they see are the best and most impactful. Then, depending on the size of the event, we organize other sections of the day so that everything is easy to find. We also always use the slideshow feature. We used to run a separate slideshow program because we believe in them so much, so having it built in is huge. You take your best storytelling images, add music, and it sets the tone for the entire gallery experience. Your clients will watch it, tear up, remember their amazing day, just without the hard sales pitch right afterwards, or the champagne, although they can get their own bottle. Instead, your clients can easily download their digital files, but clients will also click around and order prints directly from the gallery. And you might be sitting on the chairlift at your favorite ski resort when a notification pops up. You log in, double check the crop, approve it, and move on with your day, knowing that the system worked without you having to step in or follow up. Later, when you're doing your books, there's a small extra line item sitting there quietly making your accountant hat very happy. And if you offer both photo and video as we do, you can upload video to Pic-Time as well. So what I love about Pic-Time isn't the features, it's what it replaced. It replaced those laser engraved thumb drives we used to send. It replaced separate slideshow software from gallery software, and it replaced follow-up emails asking, hey, do you want prints? Everything lives in one place: galleries, slideshows, video delivery, and print ordering. So here's how print ordering works in practice. You connect Pic-Time to the lab that you want to use, and you set your pricing once. After that, clients can order directly from the gallery and have prints shipped to them. There's also an optional approval window, which we love, especially for larger prints. If something needs a crop tweak or a quick spot removal, we can handle it before it goes to print. Before this, prints weren't happening consistently, not because clients didn't want them, but because we made the process too hard. Now, print orders happen naturally, without follow-up emails or awkward conversations, and that's the difference between pushing something manually and building a system that works. One of the most helpful parts is that Pic-Time will prompt you with optional seasonal campaigns. You can activate them with a few clicks, and then it handles all the emails automatically. For us, that's less about discounts and more about timing, reminding people to print when they're already thinking about gifts or milestones, like, hey, happy Valentine's Day, order and get 10% off your prints. And this isn't something we use for only one type of client. We originally started using Pic-Time for weddings and portraits, but now we use it across our commercial work as well. It's been a really clean way to deliver galleries, and it's helpful to see which images are actually being downloaded and used. We also use it for things like landscape wall art, and even for selling our ABCs of Adventure book. Although, I'll be honest, the interface is strongest for images and galleries rather than physical products. Let's talk through some practical tips for efficiency. Number one, fast turnaround. Managing massive amounts of photos is a pain. A fast turnaround keeps clients happy, and it keeps your hard drives under control. Cull, edit, export, and then you can batch upload the images and you're done. Number two, gallery sections. Use those gallery sections intentionally. Group portraits are some of the most printed images from our wedding galleries, so we always make sure that those are easy to find so that mom, grandma, and Aunt Marge can all get their copy. Number three, the slideshow templates and beat matching are worth spending time on. Presentation matters more than people think. Let's do a quick review of what not to do or common mistakes that I've made so that you don't have to. Number one, don't mess up your numbering. This has happened to us before when somehow between exporting and uploading, the numbering gets all wacky and then your gallery is a mess. Come up with a naming and numbering system that works. Number two, on that note, camera sync time. Make sure your times are synced if you use multiple cameras before the shoot, because this will save you time organizing your images later. Number three, don't ignore the highlight section or the slideshow tools. As I mentioned, presentation is everything, and this will have an impact on how they experience the gallery. Number four, don't make clients wait too long. Send them their pictures while they're excited. And then lastly, make printing easy. Sometimes we hate selling so much that we forget our clients genuinely value their photos. So make it easy for them to print high quality photos from a print lab you trust, rather than reaching out to you later because the drugstore print quality was terrible and they really want a good photo. Every one of these mistakes adds friction, and friction is what kills momentum and excitement. We've used various client galleries in the past and have gone through numerous tools, but one day Mark came to me, as he often does when he wants to buy something, and he started talking about how he thought we really needed to check out Pic-Time. The reason Pic-Time stuck was simple. It combined things we were already using separately, galleries, slideshows, and automated reminders, into one system. Less software, less maintenance, less mental overhead. So if you take anything from this, let it be this. If you hate selling, the solution isn't becoming better at it. It's building a workflow where it isn't necessary. Your clients already value their photos. Your job is to help those photos live in the real world, not just on a hard drive. If you want to talk more about workflow pain points, leave a comment. Those questions usually turn into future videos. And don't forget the links below for your discount to Pic-Time. I'll see you in the next video.